Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. I have my very good friend, Miss Pamela Smith here, and she's going to talk a little bit about how you can make extra income.
Absolutely, I would love to, Lois. So, have you ever gone to a restaurant and fell in love with the restaurant? Would you keep that to yourself? Absolutely not. You ever caught a sale on a nice pair of shoes, ladies? You're gonna tell someone, right? That's what we do. Because of these services, we share not only the services, but the income is so amazing that we share the income opportunity as well. Now, the way I do it is I take it off of them. I say, who do you know that's looking to make money from home or looking for a great business opportunity that doesn't take up another job hours? And people usually say, me. And so that's how I introduce the wonderful business opportunity. You help 3 or 4 families a month. You're making $300 to $500 every single month. And you get raises because of doing that. So you get to do a great thing. You win trips. You keep doing that consistently every month. So you get sent to an all-expense paid trip to some of the most amazing places. So the opportunity is more than income. It's amazing trips, amazing bonuses, and you just get to change lives, and I love that.
Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Thank you, Miss Pamela Smith. You're the bomb.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you.